DALL-E 2 is arguably the biggest name in AI image generators, and with good reason. It was the first AI-powered image generator that was good enough to create wildly interesting images and was widely available to enough people to go viral. Sign up for a free OpenAI account, type in what you want to see, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, you'll have 4 AI-generated image variations to choose from. OpenAI also built ChatGPT, so if you've used that, you'll be right at home. You can connect DALL-E 2 to Zapier to do things like automatically create images from Google Forms or Hubspot responses, or any other apps you use. Let's try to create an image in DALL-E using Hubspot. You can click the link in the description below to use one of the pre-made templates. Click the trigger button to get started. To start our Zap, you'll need to select the Hubspot account you would like to use. The first time we set up Hubspot, we'll need to authenticate it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Hubspot account. Don't worry, it's totally safe because Zapier uses industry standards for encryption when connecting with each of your apps. I'll put a link to Zapier's security and trust page in the description as well. Once you're logged in, click Continue. We'll then need to set up our Trigger Apps data. To do this, select the form you would like to use for your Zap and click Continue. Click Test Trigger, click Continue, and our first action step will open. In order to use the OpenAI app, we'll need to create an API key and connect it with Zapier. To do this, go to your OpenAI page, click the top right button of your screen, and then select View API Keys on the dropdown. Click Create New Secret Key, and then copy and paste it onto your authorization screen. By the way, if at any point you get stuck, Zapier's got an amazing support team that can help you out. There's a link in the description to their forum post for this specific workflow. Once you've logged in, click Continue. Under Prompt, select the prompt question from your Hubspot form that you would like to use for your Zap. Mine says, what would you like your NFT to look like? Then click Continue. Click Test Action, and you're all set with the second step. Let's move on to our third step. To start, select the Adexo account you would like to use for your Zap. If you haven't already, you'll need to authorize the account just like you did with the other apps. To do this, go into your Adexo app and select View API Key. Once you're on your account page, select the API tab and click Copy Key. Go back to your Zap, paste the API key into your authorization screen, and select Continue to Adexo. Once that's complete, click Continue and we can start to assign our Trigger Apps data into the Action Apps fields. Fill out the required contact address and wallet address under their respective fields. Next, for Base 64 image, select the image URL under the dropdown. Last, under the NFT name, I'll name the NFT the first name of my form's username, and for the NFT description, I'll click the prompt question that I used for my Zap. Lastly, I'll type in my image type that I want my photo to be. And then I'll click Continue. Click Test Action, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime a message is sent out to my Hubspot channel, an image will automatically be created using DALL-E. I hope this was a helpful demo. Zapier can do so much more with these two apps and thousands of others. Click the link in the description.